Hello and good morning dear students. So welcome back to the online class. In today's class we will be doing exercise 2b, but before we start exercise 2b, let us come back to the formulas. Okay, so we are learning more about exponents, and the first formula is a into b whole to the power n. Okay, a into b whole to the power n is a to the power n into b to the power n. This power n is for both a and b. Okay, if it is multiplication sign, you just have to open as a to the power n into b to the power n. Okay, we'll be using this in the exercise also. Number 2, a by b to the power n. A by b to the power n, the formula is a to the power n divided by b to the power n. Okay, this is the second formula. The third formula is anything to the power 0. A to the power 0 or b to the power 0 or c to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is always equals to 1, provided this base cannot be equals to 0. Okay, and the fourth one, a to the power minus m is always equals to 1 by a to the power m. If I need to make the power positive, what I'll do is I'll drop it down to the denominator. Okay, a to the power minus m becomes 1 by a to the power m. Okay, so note down this formula again, and we will be starting with question number 2. Alright, so now we start with question number 2, exercise 2b. Question number 2 is to simplify this. Okay, the question is 8 to the power 4 by 3 plus 25 to the power 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 27 to the power minus 2 by 3. Okay, now what is 8? I can write 8 as 2 cube. We know 8 is 2 cube. Multiply 2 3 times, you'll get 8. So in place of 8, I'm writing 2 cube whole to the power 4 by 3. Alright, plus 25. 25 means 5 square. So this is 5 square whole to the power 3 by 2. Clear with this? Alright, and then minus, see, this is 1 by 27. 1 by 27. So how can I write this? 1 by 27 means 3 cube whole to the power minus 2 by 3. Okay, now what happens out here? I can use the power law. 3 gets multiplied with 4 by 3. So therefore 2 to the power 3 into 4 by 3 plus 5 to the power 2 into 3 by 2. Okay, minus, see, 1 by 3 to the power 3. If I bring it to the numerator, it will be 3 to the power minus 3 whole to the power minus 2 by 3. I'm using this law out here. Okay, 1 by m, 1 by a to the power m is equals to a to the power minus m. So 1 by 3 to the power 3 will be 3 to the power minus 3. Okay, again I can multiply this and this. So here what happens is 3 and 3 gets cancelled out, and here 2 and 2 gets cancelled out. So what is the leftover? 2 to the power 4 plus 5 to the power 3 and then minus 3 to the power minus 3 into minus 2 by 3. Am I clear? The power gets multiplied again, and here 3 and 3 gets cancelled out. So 2 to the power 4 plus 5 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power minus and minus plus, that is 2. Okay, so 2 to the power 4 will be 16, 5 to the power 3, 5 5 is 25, 25 into 5 is 125, and then minus 9. Okay, so let us calculate. Okay, 16 minus 9, or else I can add 16 and 25. This will be 141 minus 9, which will be 141 minus 9, which will be equals to, okay, 141 minus 9, which will be equals to 132. Okay, so hence this is question number 2 part 1. Please do follow line by line. Okay, and then complete this. Pause the video and note it down. Alright, let's go to the next question, that is question number 2 part 2. In question number 2 part 2 we have box bracket 64 to the power minus 2 into to the power minus 3. Okay, and divided by box bracket curly bracket minus 8 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2 again. So all these are the powers. all these are the powers. Okay, so how will we simplify it? 64, keep it as 64, and this is minus 2 into minus 3. The power gets multiplied. Okay, divided sign, keep it as divided sign. Now how will I simplify inside out here? First you have to know minus 8 square. Minus 8 square means minus 8 into minus 8. Minus into minus is plus. See, minus 8 into minus 8 will be 64. So hence I'll write this whole as 64. 64, this is gone. So use the curly bracket and then multiply the powers. This into this. That is 3 into 2. Okay. Here, this is 64 minus 2 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 2 into 3 is 6. Divided by 64, this is also 3 2 is a 6. So if we divide it, this will be 64 to the power 6 divided by 64 to the power 6. Are we clear? So therefore, I can also write this as 64 to the power 6 minus 6. Isn't it? By using the law. So 6 minus 6. Therefore, this becomes 64 to the power 0. So we know that anything to the power 0 is always equals to 1. So hence this is your answer. So please pause the video and note it down. Alright, let's move on to the last sum for today. That is question number 2, part 3. The question is 2 to the power minus 3 minus 2 to the power minus 4. And there is a multiplication sign into 2 to the power minus 3 plus 2 to the power minus 4. Okay. So 2 to the power minus 3, how can I write? I can write 1 by 2 to the power 3 minus sign 2 to the power minus 4 in the same way 1 by 2 to the power 4. Similarly with this. Okay. Now 2 to the power 3, if we calculate 2 to the power 3, this is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 2 to the power 3 is 8 and 2 to the power 4 is 16. Same as 8 and 16. Okay. Now what to do? We'll take the LCM of 8 and 16. Please find the LCM of 8 and 16. You'll be getting 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So 16 is the LCM. 8 how many times? 8 2s are. So 2 1s are 2. 16 1s are. So 1. Okay. Similarly, 16 is the LCM. 8 2s are 16. Okay. So 2 1s are 2 plus 16 1s are. So 1 1s are 1. So here we get 2 minus 1 is 1 by 16. Into this will be 3 by 16. Alright, so therefore this will be 3 by 16 into 16. Now you calculate how much is 16 into 16. So therefore if we calculate 16 into 16, you will be getting 256. So hence the final answer will be 3 by 256. So please pause the video and note it down till here. Alright then boys, so we'll keep this much for today. Your today's assignment will be to do question number 3 part 1, 3 part 2 and 3 part 3. Okay, so that's it for today. Take care and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.